Welcome to the homework solution tutorial. This is on 3D, completing the square. Here we are going to solve by completing the square for number 3 and 4. Alright, please understand that when you complete the square, it has to be in that format of ax squared plus bx. This is already in that format, so we can now just complete the square. So we want to grab that b, which is negative 8, divide that by 2, which is cutting it in half, becomes negative 4. Negative 4 is now going to be squared. This gets us our value of 16. So our original equation is just x squared minus 8x is equal to 5. We want to add that 16 to both sides so we can complete the square. So we simplify one of the sides. 5 plus 16 is 21. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Good. The other side, we leave it the same. Okay. I just want to show you one step at a time. Now we're going to factor. This left side, if you use your x method, can be breaking down into x minus 4 squared equals to 21. You're not done. You finished it. You completed the square. You factored it. Now we need to solve it. Okay? So we need to take the square root of x minus 4 squared. And you also got to take the square root of 21. This gets you x minus 4 left on the left hand side, and the other hand side is plus and minus square root 21. I don't think square root 21 can be broken down, can it be? 7 and 3, nope, that's not perfect. 121, nope. 2, 3, 4, 5, nope. So nope, it can't be broken down. So all we have to do now is add that 4 to both sides. This leaves us with an x is equal to 4 plus and minus radical 21. There you go. So please understand, this step here was just completing the square. The rest here, this is the solve part. Okay, and now 4. Okay, remember it has to be in that format of ax squared plus bx for us to complete the square. So we subtract 21 to both sides. This now get us x squared plus 6x equals to negative 21. We can grab that b value, which divide that by 2, so that is our 6 divided by 2, getting us a 3. Then we want to do 3 squared, getting you a 9. That 9 is what we add to both sides. Okay, this now simplifies to just x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals to, what is negative 21 plus 9? Oh, that's negative 12. Is that right? Hold on. Is this really going to be a negative? Actually, it is. Okay. Ugh. Okay. Now we finish. So this, we just, here, these steps, we just finished completing the square. All right. Then we can now factor this. So this breaks down into just x plus 3 squared, leaving you with a negative 12. You want to now square root both sides, leaving you with a x plus 3 squared is equal to square root negative 12. Okay, so it becomes x plus 3 is equal to the square root of negative 12. Remember, you can't do this. There's no real solution here. Okay, so you stop here. In the next unit, I'm going to show you. So you stop here for the sake of the question. You can't do anything else here. So you stop here. All right, you write no real solution. What you can do is you can actually do this in the next unit. This becomes an I. And then this keeps as just a radical 12. Okay, x plus 3. Then we can subtract 3 to both sides. Your answer, oh, we forgot the plus and minus here. So the answer here is x is equal to -3 plus and minus I. Ooh, radical 12 can be broken down into radical 4 times 3. So it's radical 4 times radical 3, leaving you with 2 rad 3. So this can be broken down into 2 rad 3. So it can actually look like, this is the proper way of writing it. 2I radical 3. That's the real solution that you're going to learn in the next unit. Okay? And that's it. That is number 1 and 3. Okay? Again, please understand that you technically stop here for this unit. Okay? All right.